So recently, a friend of mine came visiting to my house. But do you know what? Immediately she enters the sitting room, her eyes went straight to the cushions and she was looking at the throw pillows on them. She just exclaimed, "This is beautiful! I need this in my house immediately." Her reaction was priceless. So today I'm going to show you how to make this cute, beautiful looking flower shaped throw pillow. Step by step from the beginning to the end. So let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to my channel DIYs here. My name is Nefisa, and in this channel we specialize in different types of throw pillows, pillow covers, cushion covers, and a whole lot of other home improvement material. So if you are in this niche, you can start by subscribing to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell close to it so that you can get update of our new video. I'm using freehand sketch for this template, so you can feel free to do so. And after that, we are going to use office pin to pin down the template on the material so that it will give us easy access when we want to cut the material. The fabric we are using for this project is called velvet, and you can choose any color you want. Just choose a nice color combination. We are going to make 3 pieces of the greens, which are the small sizes, and 4 pieces of the red. The next step is to take this to the sewing machine. But don't worry if you don't have one. You can use needle and thread to hand stitch. Just make sure that the stitches are close to each other. The next step is to stitch the 3 pieces together in 2 lines, but we are starting with the first line now. We give at least 1 inch distance from the opening or from the edge. Do make sure that you are only picking the upper layers alone. We are going for the second set of stitches, which should be at least 1 inch from the first one, and this will give us the curvy nature we are looking for in our petals. Now we attach the inner piece using simple stitches. Now for the bigger pieces, we are going to join them the same way we did for the smaller ones, that is in 2 different layers, 2 different lines. Next is a matter of assembling the 2 pieces together using simple stitches. So if you have been following my videos but have not subscribed yet, this is the time to do so that you don't miss out on my educative videos. Just click on the subscribe button, as this will encourage me to do more of these videos, and don't forget to ring that bell next to it for notifications so that you will get update anytime we upload a new video. Like and share with your family and friends. Spread the good news of our weekly uploads, because by God's grace, better times are ahead of us. Try to check on some of our previous uploads, and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for the support. This throw pillow is a great home decor inspiration or home improvement idea. It can also be used to make profit. And look at this, our rose flower throw pillow is finally done. How do you like it? You can decide to use all red through or use a color combination. It really doesn't matter. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in my next video.